This is Excel Colourfunction, a fun little template from amilago.com. In this template, you'll be able to assign numbers, for example overtime hours, for up to 26 different employees, and assign them to up to 7 different departments. You simply enter the month that you want to do the numbers for. Up here, by entering the first of the month that you want to do. Let's say we want to do February 2024. Enter 1/2/24. The form will automatically assign the weekends with a yellow markup, and the number of days for that month. Now you can go in and, for example, pick employee number 3. And say, on the 7th, enter 8 overtime hours. And employee number 7. On the 14th, enter 5 overtime hours. And so forth. After that, you can assign them to departments. For the moment, they are all unallocated here. And also, here. 13 hours unallocated. And the same here. To assign them to a department, you use the Format Painter up here. Let's say we want employee 3 to be assigned to Department B. Then we click inside Department B. Pick the Format Painter. And paste the color onto the 8 hours for employee 3. The hours are automatically assigned. Both here. And there. And let's say the 5 hours for employee number 7, we want to assign to Department C. We place the cursor on Department C. Take the Format Painter. And paste the color on the 5 hours for employee 7. Automatically, the hours are assigned to the department. You can do that for any number of hours. For all 26 employees, on 7 different departments. The template includes an example with explanations. And the front page, with instructions. If you feel that this would be something for you to play with, you're welcome to download it from amilago.com. This updated version of Colourfunction will be available when the new version of the website is published in November-December 2023. Have fun!